Impact gear. Get a comfortable waist apron here. Perfect for home or restaurant kitchen, garden or craft table use, and the interior pocket on the waist apron is ideal to hold cell phone, thermometer, spatula or whisk while cooking tools or reading glasses. ProEquip Waist Apron with 3 pockets, poly cotton, commercial restaurant home bib. Spun, comes in 1, 3, 6, 12, 50, 100 pack, black, green, navy, white, royal, red, 1, black. Machine washable. Easy to fit with adjustable ties. Will remain in good condition after multiple washes. We think you're going to love this 3 pockets waist apron as much as we do. To get the more latest updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can never miss any update.